Greetings to everyone. This is increasingly the age of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, the suite of technologies that make the machines capable of performing tasks considered intelligent. When performed by people, is colonizing an increasing number of domains. From internet search and the social media to the natural sciences and even criminal sentencing, AI may seem because ubiquitous, coextensive with the civilization itself, a taking for granted feature of modernity like electricity or running water. But this does not mean that all is well. AI has always had its discontents, those who doubt, question, challenge, reject, reform, and otherwise reprise AI as it is practiced. Levels of intelligence. It has three levels: artificial super intelligence and artificial general intelligence, and the last one is artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial makes it possible for machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human like tasks. Most AI examples that you hear about today, from chess playing computers to self driving cars, rely heavily on deep learning and natural language processing, and promoted with the hope of scaffolding deeper understandings of both the epochal transformations being wrought by AI technologies and the range of responses those changes. The special issue of interdisciplinary science reviews will bring together reflections from the practitioners, assessments from scientists in fields transformed by AI, and listically informed accounts of AI and its critics, both past and present, in order to capture something of the significance of the historical moment for future generations. Now, AI can understand the adapted to students' learning abilities, and it can come up with a personalized teaching techniques to help students understand concepts more easily. AI can also help students understand the practical implementation of theory and go beyond rote learning. Personalized AI assistants can be used to address the shortage of teachers in the e-personalized AI assistants can be used to address the shortage of teachers in the education sector. These tools find the best ways to teach students by studying their behavior and response to different techniques and help students learn at their own pace. The education sector. These tools find the best ways to teach students by studying their behavior and responses to different techniques and help students learn at their own pace. This is the increasing of AI, the site of technologies that make machine of capable performing tasks. Now, the study focus on how intelligence admits and can assess the education system, and believe that artificial intelligence will improve the education system, especially in these times. The global dilemma requires us to utilize digital technology to resume classes through online. The study collected 8 related literatures to determine the role of artificial intelligence in the education system. These related studies focus on interaction between artificial intelligence and education. The second concern over AI algorithms and robotics involves a fear that the technologies may one day start to with a beyond human control. Might such system become so sophisticated that they suppose the ability of people and institutions to manage them, and could that even threaten humanity? These AI based software programs require frequent upgrades in order to cater the requirements of the changing environment, as a machine needs to become smarter by the day. In case the software suffers a severe breakdown, then the process of recovering lost codes and reinstalling the system can give us nightmares due to huge time spent on it. Yes, it is true that they can store a lot of data, but the procedure of retrieving information from is a quite cumbersome process, which is way difficult compared to human intelligence. Now, the students interacting with the software to get things done, or software and machines replacing teachers and educators. Current developments contain a little of all these stereotypes, but it can contain a little of these, but in the way benefits both students and teachers and make education a lot of more responsive to everyone's needs. Before the pandemic, some schools and educational institutions in Australia were already using AI tools in the classroom to help improve learning outcomes for their students. Both virtual reality and augmented reality education technology uses artificial intelligence to create more immersive learning environments. The learning experience changes dramatically when students can interact with the environment they are studying. In addition, interactive learning tools allow students to cooperate on educational projects even when they are not in the same place, making real-time learning possible. You need to understand that one thing that machines can't offer their responses to changing environments. That is the basic precise on which all artificial intelligences are built. Repetitive nature of the work where the input doesn't change in the input. The AIs need to be reaccessed, retained and rebuilt. By now it will be clear that creativity or imagination is not the forte of AIs. Although they can help you in designing and creating something special, they still can't compete with a human brain. Their creativity is limited to the creative ability of the person who programs and commands the according to study conducted by the Maxine Global Institute. The intelligent agents and robots could replace 30% of the world's current human labor by the year 2020. The study further states that automation will displace between 400 and 800 million jobs by 2030, requiring as many as 375 million people to switch job categories.